Hey Miss Ann, how's it going? Here's the chili Instant Pot video. Okay, here we go. I'm putting in a full bag of the seasoned mix. All right. I did 2 pounds of beef. Here's all the spices. Here's the list. 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 2 cumin powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon Tony's, a cup of water. Then I already told you about the 2 pounds of beef. And then there's gonna be a can of black beans and a can of diced. So I've got the beef browned. I sauteed the seasoned mix, and I already put in the spices. And here we go. Set this up. And we're gonna do pressure cook. I'll do 15 minutes. There we go. I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done.